Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best No Band Lashes is probably one of the most revolutionary beauty innovations to hit the market, promising a seamless, undetectable lash line that blends flawlessly with your natural lashes, offering an unparalleled level of comfort and a truly natural look without the visible strip that often gives away traditional falsies, making them a game changer for anyone seeking effortless enhancement and a truly captivating gaze. Number 5. DYSILK Eyelashes Fluffy 16mm. Discover the secret to captivating eyes with these stunning lashes. They are designed to enhance your natural beauty effortlessly. Experience unparalleled softness and volume. They provide a rich, full look without the weight of real mink. Each pack contains 5 versatile pairs, ensuring you have the perfect set for any event. You'll always be ready to impress. Achieve a natural yet dramatic effect that mimics professional extensions. They blend seamlessly with your own lashes for an undetectable finish. The delicate wispy design adds a touch of elegance and allure. These strip lashes are incredibly easy to apply, making your beauty routine quicker and simpler. What we like? These lashes offer a luxurious fluffy 6D faux mink effect, giving you a dramatic yet natural look that mimics professional extensions. If you are looking for significant volume and a high-end finish without the salon visit, this option is perfect for you. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points could be extracted. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract points. Number 4. Kiss So Wispy False Eyelashes. Discover the secret to captivating eyes with these exquisite false eyelashes. They are designed to enhance your natural beauty with a delicate, wispy look. Each lash cluster is precisely 12 mm, offering a natural yet noticeable length. This ideal size ensures a comfortable fit and a stunning appearance. You'll receive 5 versatile pairs, providing ample options for various occasions. This generous pack ensures you always have a fresh set ready to go. Applying them is incredibly simple, making your beauty routine quicker and more enjoyable. Even beginners will find it easy to achieve a flawless finish. These high-quality lash clusters are designed for multiple uses, offering great value and sustainability. Simply clean and store them, and they'll be ready for your next stunning look. What we like? Known for their delicate wispy design, these lashes provide a subtle enhancement that's incredibly easy to apply. If you prefer a natural, understated look and value convenience for everyday wear, these reusable clusters are an excellent choice. What people say. Number 3. Farade Natural Lashes F18 to 14 mm. Discover the secret to captivating eyes with these natural lashes. They are designed to blend seamlessly with your own, enhancing your look without being overpowering. Experience the delicate wispy texture and fluffy volume. These lashes create a beautiful cat eye effect, adding a touch of allure to your gaze. With a generous pack of 14 pairs, you'll have plenty of options for any occasion. This set offers exceptional value, ensuring you're always ready. Whether you're a professional makeup artist or just starting, these lashes are incredibly easy to apply. They provide a flawless finish every time, making your routine simpler. Ideal for daily wear, they offer a subtle yet impactful enhancement. You can confidently wear them from morning to night, adding a touch of sophistication to any outfit. Crafted for comfort, you'll barely feel them on. Their lightweight design ensures a pleasant wearing experience throughout the day. What we like? This pack features natural cat eye lashes in shorter lengths, perfect for a subtle lift and everyday elegance. If you are a beginner or prefer a less dramatic, more natural look for daily makeup, this value pack offers great versatility. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per the instructions. Number 2. Wendy Lashes DIY Natural Lash Clusters Kit. Discover the secret to salon-quality lashes right at home. This kit empowers you to create stunning looks effortlessly. With 280 pieces, you have endless possibilities. It includes both 30D and 40D clusters for varied volume. Experience comfort all day long, these feel incredibly light. Plus, their waterproof design ensures your look stays flawless, rain or shine. Achieve that captivating D-curl cat eye effect you've always wanted. They come in mixed lengths from 12 to 16 mm for a natural, graduated look. Brought to you by Wendy Lashes, these fake lashes are designed for easy application. Transform your eyes with professional results, all by yourself. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides 280 individual clusters, allowing for complete customization of your lash look. If you love to experiment with different styles and desire a long-lasting, ultra-lightweight, and waterproof application, this DIY kit is your go-to. What people say. Number 1. Siligli Natural Cat Eyelashes 15mm. Discover the Siligli Natural Cat Eyelashes. They are designed to enhance your natural beauty with a subtle yet captivating look. Experience the perfect blend of wispy elegance and 3D volume. They provide a full, lush appearance without feeling heavy. Crafted with a thin cotton band, these false eyelashes offer exceptional comfort. You'll barely notice them throughout the day. Each lash strip is incredibly soft and lightweight. They blend seamlessly with your natural eyelashes for a flawless finish. This pack includes 7 pairs, ensuring you have a fresh set for any event. They are perfect for daily wear or special occasions. What we like. These lashes deliver beautiful 3D volume with a natural cat eye shape, all while featuring a thin, soft band for ultimate comfort. If you prioritize a comfortable feel and a natural yet voluminous look, these soft strip lashes are ideal. What people say. No reviews found in the source data. No reviews found in the source data. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.